In this video, I'll show you how to add fade in and fade out effects to your video in Canva. Let's get started. Open Canva and create a new video project. Let's use this video as an example. Click to add it to your Canva page. First, click the background and set the background color to black. Then, adjust the video size and position on the canvas as needed. With the video selected, go to the Animate tab. Scroll down and choose the Fade Animation option. Select both to apply fade in and fade out effects. Adjust the animation speed using the slider to control how quickly the fade transitions happen. And that's it. Your video now has smooth fade effects. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick editing tips. Thanks for watching.